Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily download your resume from LinkedIn. Whether you're applying for new jobs or looking to update your professional profile, having a downloadable version of your resume on hand can save you a lot of time and effort. Firstly, start by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, choose Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the page where you can manage all your LinkedIn account settings, including privacy, notifications, and account preferences. Now, on the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu. Choose Data Privacy from this menu. It's important to know that LinkedIn's privacy settings allow you to control who can see your information and how it's shared. From here, scroll all the way down until you find the Job Seeking Preferences section. Once you're in Job Seeking Preferences, click on Job Application Settings. This section is specifically designed for those who are actively looking for work or applying to positions via LinkedIn. It's here that you'll find your resume, which LinkedIn allows you to upload when applying for jobs through the platform. All you need to do is click on the three dots next to your resume and then click on Download. Once you do this, LinkedIn will automatically download your resume to your device. Having your resume saved locally can be helpful for quick updates or if you need to share it outside of LinkedIn, like when you're submitting applications via email or through job portals. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to easily download your resume from LinkedIn. Whether you're applying for new opportunities or just keeping your professional information updated, this simple step can save you a lot of time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more actionable tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or want to share your own LinkedIn tips, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep optimizing your LinkedIn profile and your business. I'll see you in the next video.